So we're going to make a pearl hat. So what you'll need is your thread and your needle, your pearls, which I got from Dollar Tree. They come $2.50 in a pack. Okay, you're going to need your glue gun, of course. There's just a little extra glue stick right there. And of course, you're going to need a hat, which also comes from Dollar Tree. Now, look at that. So, here are the beads. I pre um I pre-strung them, you know, to make this video go a little faster, but I used 5 packs, which added up to 4 yards. You measure them, and we're gonna heat the glue gun up so we can get started. Let's go. So with this hat, it has this ribbon around it, which is only glued on. So we're going to get here and we're going to take that ribbon off. Yep, there we go. And just pull it off. Oh, it just seems like I don't want to. It's really stuck on there. But we're going to pull it completely off so we can get started putting the pearls on for our pearl hat. And here we go. Here's the first string while your glue gun is hot, because this is a high temperature glue gun that I have. So I glue down one. You're going to go around just, as flat as you can. Put a little glue there. Stick it and be very careful because, like I said, the glue is hot. But we're going to go around there and make sure it is tacked down. Let's go around. Up, that's not tack. So give it a second to dry. Apply some more, go around. You don't have to just put the glue all the way around because you don't want it dripping on the bottom. So I'm trying to just more or less glue, a bead and let it set. Take it some more. Glue another one. And we're almost back where we started from. So we're going to start the second layer. After we glue this one, and then you're just going to go on top of that one after that one is tacked down. And just go around and around until you use up that first string. Now there, I've done the first string. I'm on the second string. So what I'm going to do is try and take and glue that close as I can to that string. And maybe I should have used some white thread instead of the black thread, but the black thread is much thicker. So we're going to put some glue there and stick it as close as possible. I mean, this is awesome. This is all DIY items. The glue stick, not the glue gun, the pearls and the hats. They're all from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has some amazing items. You know, you can do just about all kinds of crafts at a less expensive amount of money. So there it is. That's the end. You can see the little black in there, but we're going to take care of that. But look how beautiful that came out. How cute is that? The pearl hat. In case you're wearing those pearls, those chucks and pearls. Okay? But because I'm extra, I am going to take, and I have to represent my city. I have to represent my city. So we're going to put a gold floor, at least right here where that black part is. So you can't see that little um the black threads in the middle, but the one at the top, I mean, if somebody is that close up on your head, like really. So let's put a good amount of glue on here because this is a glass fleur de lis. And we're going to stick it right there so you won't be able to see that. Hold that down a little bit and they're going to be ready. Like, okay. So, in the meantime, it's all Dollar Tree items. I hope you enjoyed it. I had fun making it. In the meantime, leave me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments. And of course, subscribe so you won't miss another video. Thanks for watching. How cute is that? Everything Dollar Tree. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.